To divide decimal numbers in mathematics, we can first express them as fractions. Like here, we have to write 4.26 as 426 by 100. Then we divide them. To divide fractions, we keep the number that is divided as it is and multiply it by the reciprocal of the second number. In this way, we get 1.42. Let's understand how to divide one decimal number by another decimal number. A person covers a distance of 7.2 kilometers. If he takes 1.2 hours to cover such a distance, then how much distance will he be able to cover per hour? To find out the answer, we have to divide 7.2 kilometers by 1.2 hours. As you can see, here we are dividing one decimal number by another decimal number. Let's obtain the quotient of 7.2 divided by 1.2. Decimal numbers to be divided as fractions. 7.2 can be written as 72 by 10 and 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10. 72 by 10 divided by 12 by 10. Can you tell us how we will divide this fraction? Think a little. Absolutely correct. We will keep the first number exactly the same and multiply it by the second number's reciprocal. 72 by 10 into 10 by 12. Now 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator can be cancelled by division, and we will get 72 by 12 results in 6. Therefore, the person covers a distance of 6 kilometers per hour. Another way to do this easily is to write 7.2 and 1.2, one below the other as numerator and denominator. Now, we will try to make the denominator a whole number. For this, we can multiply the denominator by 10. To keep the values same, we will also have to multiply the numerator by 10. Multiplying 1.2 by 10 will move the decimal point one place to the right. Since there are no digits after the decimal point, we can ignore it. Similarly, we get the number in the numerator as 72. Now, we divide 72 by 12 to get 6. Now let us see an interesting method of dividing decimal numbers by numbers like 10, 100 and 1000. Here, the results are expressed by dividing the decimal number 3316.4 by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. The funny thing is that the number to be divided and the number in the result are the same. If you look carefully, you will find that as many zeros are there in 10, the decimal point will move that many places to the left. As 10 has 1 0, so the decimal point moves one place to the left. 100 has 2 zeros, so the decimal point has moved 2 places to the left. Similarly, in 1000, there are 3 zeros, so the decimal point is 3 places to the left. By advancing the sequence, we can see that after dividing by 10,000, the decimal point has moved 4 places to the left. What does this tell you? Think a little. Let me tell you, when a decimal number is divided by 10 or a multiple of 10 such as 100, 1000, 10,000, then the digits of the result and the decimal number remain the same, but the decimal point moves to the left as many times as the number of zeros with 1. So today, we have learned division of decimal numbers.